What's going on, YouTube? Took a little quick drive real quick, and I actually just posted up in a parking lot right here because I got some exciting news that I want to talk about, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to hear about it. 3 cars that Dodge Mopar just dropped today, dropped images of, and I am super excited to talk about it. So let's get into the video. Before we do that, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. At 100 subscribers, guys, we're gonna be doing a giveaway for a $50 Nike gift card. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You could be one of the lucky ones that wins it. But let's get into the video. First car I want to talk about is the 2021 Dodge Durango Hellcat, SRT Hellcat, man. 6.2 liter V8 engine. Comes with 717 horsepower and 656 pound-feet of torque. You can't complain with that, man. It's an SUV. It's going to be a little bit heavier, but that's a lot of power and a lot of torque for an SUV, guys. And it's the closest thing that you're probably going to be able to get to a Trackhawk. So if you're into the SUVs, man, I would definitely try to pick this up and pre-order it. Pre-order it whenever you can. Comes with the big red Brembo brakes. Does it 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. A top speed of 180, and a quarter-mile pass of about 11.5 seconds. Not the fastest, but still, you know, pretty fast for an SUV. Yeah, man, I like this car a lot, man. If, you know, I get lucky enough one day, I'll probably add one like that to my collection if I can't get a Trackhawk myself. So the next car I want to talk about is the new Challenger Superstock. I like the car, guys. I honestly think it resembles the Demon a lot. But I think it's going to be a little bit cheaper, and for most of these cars, I don't think they've dropped official prices yet, so that's why I'm not including it in the video, and I don't want to give you guys any wrong information. So moving on to the Challenger SRT Superstock, and one thing I really don't like that Superstock name. I think they could have given it a lot cooler name, like the Demon, Hellcat, Scat Pack. You know, they've done great jobs before. This one, I think it was just kind of like, here's something for them to watch or to look at. So the Challenger Superstock, man, is coming in at a whopping 807 horsepower with 707 pound-feet of torque. That's a lot of horsepower, and it's a lot of torque. It's only 10 more than the Redeye. So if you're gonna ask me personally, I would probably just go with the next car that I'm gonna talk about, which I'm really excited to talk about. But yeah, it's 807, which is, you know, it's nothing to blink at, you know what I'm saying? Nothing to sneeze at. It's a lot of horsepower for a Challenger. Y'all know I have a Challenger. Excuse me, I'm gonna have a lot of love for Challengers for the rest of my life. 6.2 liter V8, if I haven't said it already. Going down, it looks like it's going to be making its 0 to 60 in about 3.3 seconds. And a top speed of about 168 miles per hour. Not the fastest, but considering that this is a drag car and they're really just clocking for quarter-mile times, you're probably never ever going to get to that top speed ever in this car. So this car is going to do exactly what it is, and it's going to win you the quarter-mile races each and every time. As long as you know, if you want to tune it up or something like that, you're going to be winning your quarter miles and probably running them high 9s, low 10s if you tune the car right. So yeah, man, that is the Superstock, man. And in comparison to the Demon, I'm pretty sure that the Demon, from what I see here, came in at about 840 horsepower, which is wow. Unfortunately, they don't make the Demon anymore, so this is probably the closest thing that you want to get to it. So if you couldn't get a Demon the first time and you really want one, this is your chance. So hop on it as soon as they're able to pre-order it in your local city. So the last one that I really want to talk about, and that I love, because as some of you may know, a lot of you may not, I used to have a Charger before I got my Challenger. Unfortunately, I got in a bad car accident and the car got totaled out. Next car I want to talk about is the 2021 Charger Hellcat Redeye. I've been waiting for Dodge to give the Charger Hellcat a Redeye version, and finally it's come. And I'm super excited for it. The pictures that I see here, it's two-tone black and white. I don't know if there's some type of black top edition. I don't know, but if it is, it's awesome. Coming in at 797 horsepower, guys. I mean, like I was just saying before, you could either get the super stock, which has a crappy name in my opinion, only in my opinion, or you can get the Hellcat Redeye. That's only 10 horsepower less, but you could probably make it just as fast, if not faster, and depending on who the better driver is most likely going to win that race every time. So, like I said, coming in at 797 horsepower, 707 pound-feet of torque, 6.2 liter V8 engine, doing its 0 to 60 in I think about 3.4 or 3.5 seconds, according to what I'm reading here. And it says it's going to do its quarter mile in about 10.6 seconds. The thing that got me with this car, guys, is that it said that it could do about 203 miles per hour. Now, I know that you're probably never going to be able to do that, but it's just the fact that a car can do that, which touches my heart and wins me over every time. So if in the near future I ever, you know, am blessed with the chance to afford one, I'm going with the Charger, the Hellcat Redeye. You know, the super stock can kiss my, you know, I wouldn't waste my money on it. This car is the way to go. So if y'all are looking for a new car to invest in and y'all got the money for it, invest in this car, pre-order it as soon as you can. I can guarantee you that this car is going to be turning heads at the track. I can guarantee you. And like I said, well, I didn't say before, but it comes in that wide body, and it seems like this one comes with stock with 305 by 35 tires, which are some big tires, and I love it because for me personally, I think the bigger the tires that you have, the better grip you can get. You know, the more chance you have of winning, you know, your quarter mile, you know, 8th mile races and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, this car, I'm in love with all the cars, but this car specifically, that Charger Hellcat Redeye, is the one I'm definitely going to be looking for, and hopefully I can get a video of it for you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, at 100 subscribers, guys, I'm doing that $50 Nike gift card giveaway. At 150 subscribers, guys, I'm going to do another small giveaway, and let's just continue to grow this channel, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with your mama, your baby mama, your cousin, your brother, your grandma's friend from the bingo club, anybody that you can, man. Just share it. Showing support to the channel, man, it really means a lot to me, guys. I already got a whole bunch of views and a whole bunch of, you know, subscribers off the first video, so let's try to repeat that process and do it again, guys. Love you guys a lot, and Hemi out.